So I have a couple different scenarios here depending on what kind of motor you have. These two are three-phase motor. This is an example of a single phase. So on your three-phase motor that uses a motor starter, a contactor, and an overload relay setup, aka motor starter, a lot of times the lead has been switched when either the motor starter was replaced or a motor has been replaced. Either T1, 2, and 3 were wired in differently. So all you got to do is interchange T1 or 2, 2 or 3, 3 or 1. Interchange any of these three leads, and if your motor is spinning counterclockwise, it should now spin clockwise once you interchange any of those leads. You can do it after the overload, or you can do it right inside the pecker head. It's a lot easier to do it right at the overload terminals. Another scenario is if it's VFD driven, make sure that somebody didn't put it in reverse, because you can put a VFD in reverse instead of putting it in forward. If that's not changed or nothing was changed with that, again, you can also change the leads in case somebody swapped out a motor and didn't put the leads back to where they were. So again, you can interchange any of these leads just like how you would do it with up here. And then here, this is just an example of a single phase diagram that you would see on the motor nameplate. So if you're going clockwise, this is a clockwise setup. If you want to go to counterclockwise, you just exchange 6 and 8. So if you want to go counterclockwise, you would just take wire lead number 8 and then wire it with 2, 4, 8. Connect your line to that set, and then you would go 1, 3, 6 and connect that to line 1 for that set, and then you should get it to go from counterclockwise, clockwise to counterclockwise. So I hope this helped. I'll see you on the next video. Deuces.